Alright, so for the past couple weeks I've been working on this. Okay, so I priced out the wood and I got it. So this is a, they call a shiplap wall. Basically, it's wood that you've attached to your wall. You stain it, you know, that kind of stuff. So I am on my way to find out if I can find a DJI microphone adapter, because I got the DJI Osmo Pocket, which is a great little camera, but the audio quality kind of sucks. I don't know if you noticed that the last couple of videos that I made, but yeah, it's been interesting. Okay, so Best Buy did not have what I was looking for. So they only carry like a few GoPro adapters and things like that, but they're still carrying a lot of DSLR items. So, yeah, it's good. So, it's great fun. Great fun trying to find stuff, you know. So if Radio Shack were still around, I could walk into the store and pick up something. But you know what? You can order everything nowadays, so who cares, right? Good times. Yeah. Alright, on to the next place. Nobody has the DJI Osmo Pocket microphone adapter. I'm gonna have to order it from Amazon or DJI. Either way, it's gonna cost about 50 bucks. Nobody makes a generic one, at least I've not seen any that have tested. So, yeah.